No better way to intro this vlog. Springtime than outside on this lovely Tuesday afternoon. I had a impromptu greenhouse trip today with my mom. We're going to plant the flowers in the flower box today. So let's go ahead and plant them. Before I plant them in my flower box, I want to do a little haul of what I got. I got a dahlia. I have never planted these before, so I'm curious to see how this does. This is just absolutely stunning, and I love dahlias. I think they're beautiful. I got petunia. I feel like these are really easy, and it's hard to like kill and mess up, and they just keep like trailing, and they're so pretty. And so I got some pinky coral, and then the last flower that I got was this one, and it's called verbena, and look at those flowers. They are just so pretty and like cottagecore like. So I definitely got a array, and I'll probably just like slowly add to the flower box that's in front of my kitchen window, but this is where we are starting with. Let's plant. I hope you guys are having a great start to your April. It is a beautiful 60-degree weather day, and it is currently April 8th, and I figured I would go ahead and plant my cut flower garden today. I am 33 weeks pregnant, almost 34, and so I do need to get this garden planted sooner rather than later, because baby girl is going to be here very soon, and so it is best to get this gardening out of the way. I just finished tilling up the raised garden beds and cleaning out like the leaves and the sticks and all that jazz, and I'm getting ready to plant my seeds. I did do a spring video a couple weeks back, and I did winter sowing. And update on winter sowing, it did not turn out well. I think that I planted them a little too early, and they kind of ran out of space for the roots, and so once that happens, they kind of just died. And some of them looked okay, and I went ahead and put them in the boxes, but some of them just did not take off. So, but that's fine. We're still gonna have pretty flowers in the spring and summer, and that's all that matters. So I figured we would go ahead and start off just by showing you the seeds that I've gotten. All right, so I did share in the winter sowing video what I am planting, but I'm gonna go ahead and share again. I've got some straw flowers, yarrow, snapdragons, some cosmos, and zinnias. I think how I'm gonna plan it out is I'm going to plant the cosmos and zinnias in one box, and then the yarrow, straw flowers, and snapdragons in the other box. I also picked up a dahlia from a local greenhouse yesterday, and I did put it in a container, but I asked ChatGPT, and it said that they do best in the ground. So I'm also going to go ahead and replant that with the straw flowers and the snapdragons, just because it's a cut, a come and again flower. So it's basically like I cheated and I bought it when it was already bloomed. And so I'm gonna go ahead and put that one in the raised garden bed too. So I need to water my flowers though. So I'm gonna water my petunias and my verbena that I have in my little flower box here, and then we will get to planting our cut flower garden. I'm so excited, and just knowing that when these bloom, my baby girl is going to be here is just something that's so exciting to think about. And I'm just so excited for the days where I'm sitting outside on the front porch with my baby girl and I'm drinking my coffee and I'm just looking out in my garden and just soaking it up. So let's go ahead and garden together.